y'all what we got for school. And yeah, so let's go.
What's up and welcome back to my channel. So today is the day that you realize like how expensive your kids are and how much money you would have if you did not have kids. And I say that because it is back to school shopping time, so I'm gonna do like kind of like a little vlog style, just showing you guys the process of how I do it. And it's already turning out to be a hot mess of a day, so let's just see how this goes. But I have the school supply list already printed out. I did try to go through and just kind of see what we already had, and unfortunately we ain't got nothing, so I have to literally buy every single thing on this list. I'm going to try to see if I can go and get their uniforms and their new shoes as well. I'm going to give them uniforms to wear throughout all 5 days because some days or weeks get really hectic and I'm not able to wash clothes, so I need clothes for all 5 days. And then I'm going to get them 2 pairs of shoes each. And let me show you how I'm actually going about tracking how much I am spending. So let me sit you down. So my sister-in-law bought me these budget envelopes because I had a speaking engagement in Tulum. So I am using this. You can come in, just be quiet. So I am using this to keep up with the budget. Now, the way that I got the budget for each of them, because this is my first year having 2 kids that need school supplies, so it is a little different. But last year and the years before, I would normally spend about $250 to $300. So this year, I probably am going to come over budget, but I'm going to give them $250 each. That is for everything. I have probably lost my mind because with inflation that may not even touch the surface of it, but we're just going to wishful think. So I have $500 in cash for $250 for each child. And every transaction that I make, receipts, whatever, I can write them on the back. I'm probably just going to put the receipts in here so I know how much each child has left as we are buying things. But I will say someone gave me a tip of just seeing what Dollar General has for supplies, and I did see they had some school supplies out. So we're going to get food. I'm getting coffee, because what is running errands without coffee? And then we're gonna go to Dollar General just so I can see how much I can get off of this list, because I'm trying to make this money stretch. So let's go. It should have been this way. They may not have the stuff out yet. All the stuff is back here. This way. No. No, we're getting your stuff. All right, Micaiah, I'm gonna... The backpacks are back here. You see them? You see the backpacks? There's Spider-Man. Yeah, do you see the backpack too? How much is it? It doesn't say. I don't think that's right. Oh. The Puma one's cute. All of these are like 30. You didn't see the other ones? The purple ones over here? Right up there. You don't need that. You need to come over here and pick out scissors. You said what? You got 2?
Yeah, I have to get some ugly boy ones.
Okay. Remember, you need the sharpen, let's see, 4 boxes of number 2 sharpened pencils.
That it's a ruler.
4. Okay, put those because they're getting, your arms aren't big enough. 4, and then remember you got to get to 6.
Yeah.
All right, put them in there. Now you got 4. What comes next? 5.
How much pencils?
You need 6.
6.
6. All right, put them in there. No, King needs 6 boxes of crayons.
How much I need of pencils?
No, that's enough. 2 boxes
Only 2.
of number 2 sharpened pencils.
Number 2.
They're not sharpened.
Oh.
Okay, so get 1. You need 1 box of face tissue, and then King needs 1 box of face tissue, I think. No, you need 2 boxes of tissue. That's 2? How many boxes is that?
4.
Because King only needs 1 box. Well, if you need 2, just get that. And we can share, and
Mama,
you can share.
King can have these. Mom is shark, and Daddy's shark, and fishy. Okay, you can get this one. Ooh, that would be great. Want this one? Yeah. Oh!
Oh, be careful.
Okay. It's a super villain.
All right, we just need a poster board, and then that'll be it. And then we'll go to get uniforms. We need one outfit for each day. This thing is, it's just $15 for the pants, so I'm already cringing. He's like a size 5.
We see match me. Hold on. Okay. No, it's not.
Look on the tag for the size. The tag.
Mama, the tag don't say nothing. Oh wait, never mind. 7, 8.
So you need a large, a 10, 12. You need more than, you need an extra large.
Stop preparing.
No, I'm saying that's just, if it's not your size, it's not your size. You're not a 10, 12 anymore.
What?
This is an extra large.
But this is
This is your size. You need a 14 and 16.
I don't want a skirt.
And of course, I'm gonna need skincare because I ran out of all of my stuff.
Yeah.
Yes, you will.
This is what I use.
Bruh.
Yep.
Start with the easy stuff. Excuse me, kid.
Wow. You got a whole bunch of stuff?
Yeah.
All right, now put those on the belt. Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, put that on the belt too. Now come out down here. I'm shocked that it wasn't that much.
Oh.
Show us. Woo, let's see your backpack. Turn around. Wow. Let's see your lunchbox. Hold your lunchbox.
My mask.
Wow, yeah.
Mama, can I see my face?
Yeah, hold on. Okay, so we just got out of Tarjay and I am shook because it was a lot less than what I thought it was going to be. The total came out to be $342.15, so I gave her $360. And that leaves us with about $120 to get their shoes, which is more than enough because I like to go to the Nike outlet since they always have a sale. So let me see how much I have. 20, 40. What's wrong? 60, 80. 1, 20, 50, 155.
I'm gonna come help you.
No, sit down. I'll do it. So we have $157. So divided by, what's that? About $75 per person for the shoes. So as long as I get them shoes that are about like $30 each, on each getting 2 pair, I think I'm gonna be on budget. So I'm excited.
I just got those, Mama.
Yeah.
Big one.
You need some black shoes. Your size? You like those? Let me see.
They'll match me.
Ooh, these are cute.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see if they're your size. No, they're not your size, baby.
Today we're gonna be showing y'all what we got for school, and yeah, so let's go. Come
Yeah.
on.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with King's first.
Yeah.
Here you go. Open it and tell them what you got.
Hi guys. I got a superhero book.
A superhero Crayola
Yeah.
coloring book. Yeah.
And I got
You got wipes and
Wipes.
stuff for
Wipes.
kindergarten.
Hi guys, we got crayon in my box.
That's Princess.
Yeah.
And I just got this like really pretty light blue backpack.
Show them.
And I got green and black and gray
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
What, did you show them your lunchbox?
Yeah.
We both got matching pairs of headphones,
Yeah.
but mine is pink and his are blue. And then his is here. Can I show them? His is a blue.
Oh
So I only got
I'm done.
like 4 uniforms for him because they were $15 and it was getting a little expensive. So he's got his little uniforms.
Then I got these pretty pink scissors that I picked out from one aisle.
And I got a dinosaur scissors and kindergarten.
And I got her less than 5 because she has some uniforms already at the house. And I do size up in clothes and shoes. So I always do a size up so they can grow into them during the school year. So I did wind up coming in budget for their shoes with $5. So all in all, we got everything and I came under budget by $5. I got the Nikes and a little pack. If you have an outlet mall close by and there's a Nike, they are always way cheaper than the Nikes that they sell in other shoe stores. So I always like to go. It takes like a little bit of a drive, but it's always worth it. And I got them a size up in shoes. We got 2 pairs of shoes each. I did used to try to do like the cheap route, like Children's Place and things like that, but they would always get jacked up by like the 2nd week. So I just like to spend a little bit more on a shoe that I know is going to hold for the school year. So King, this is yours.
Black Nikes.
Wow.
I got these white, pink, and blue
Ooh, Mama.
Nikes.
Look. Second inside.
Then I got these black
These are cute and
Vans.
they're good for shoes.
Hey,
And these are actually going to hold because I bought her some Vans like from Children's Place or Old Navy or something like that, and they did not last. So I know these are gonna last. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.